Hi, Bruce from Safari, and we're showing our lifestyle kits. You've seen the low profile one. We videoed that before with the double induction and the Engel 30 litre in it. But the one we're going to show you today is the 65 litre. So Bushman in the front here. Now this is only that much higher than the low profile one. All the same power gear in it, but it's got a 65 litre upright fridge. You can get 2 cans deep and 6 wide in there. Plus you've got the little freezer here where you can make ice in, which you can't do in there. And then bottles in the door there. And what we've done on this one is chopping board on the top, pantry below, table that pulls out. Yes, we can put our double induction in there if you wish. In this case, they're going to use a portable, but you could put a double in there. And then this just concertinas back or folds back in itself. Exactly the same power system in both, but you've got a choice of either the bigger fridge, twice the size of the fridge in that setup versus this setup. I've got to say, how good's that?